When you're under pressure to deliver perfectly accurate and aesthetic looking parts the same day or in a single shift, the PSLA 270 is your solution of choice. Featuring a new hybrid configuration, the PSLA 270 takes the best of SLA and merges it with the best of light projection-based technologies. The system features dual HD projectors that cure downwards into the vat of resin below. This innovative configuration means you gain three things. 1. A large mid-frame build area that supports a variety of mid-sized parts ideal for industries such as automotive, aerospace, motorsport and service bureaus. 2. You get all the speed and scale advantages of raster-based layering, with layer times many times faster than vector-based technology. And 3. You still benefit from all the advantages of vat-based resin printing, where the parts are supported on the platform within the resin. This means you no longer have to worry about your parts hanging against gravity, where they need more supports. It means less distortion on larger parts, and it means no more worries about heavier builds falling into the hardware below. With an incredible surface smoothness of up to RA 0.25 microns, PSLA parts really do deliver on the promise of injection molded-like quality, and this is achieved directly from the printer without sanding or polishing. The PSLA 270, it's the whole package: productivity, first article success, part aesthetics, and mechanical performance.